It's a GraveDigger with most of his clothing on. He's gonna have some hair, and I'll have to do something to keep his pants up. You can see the eyes, which I also made. I can maybe do a tutorial about the eye making. But this is just a repurposed latex slush skin out of a mold with polyfoam on the inside. And the initial sculpture doesn't have, the eyes are much more closed, and the mouth is also closed. So after I filled it and polyfoamed it, I filled the mouth, I filled everything with foam, soft foam. And after that kicked off, pulled it out of the mold, painted it, cut the mouth open, painted the interior foam in the mouth black, and held the mouth open with a piece of steel that you can see in there. It's just a steel L bracket. I slit the eyes open after I cut out the eye holes, but I cut them really shallow, so the eyes actually push outward on the eyelids, making his eyes look like he's in terror. And that's the idea. He's supposed to look scared, and the initial sculpture does not look scared, so I had to change those things on the sculpt. The lamp is just, I think it's a $3 hurricane lamp from Amazon, and there's a tea light in there that I painted the base of the tea light the red to match, and then it's just hot glued in, and the entire rig is on a pulse width modulator, which I'll show you in a minute, that slows it way down. It's just running on a window roller motor, and a piece of PVC, and I'll show you all the innards of this guy in a minute.